Welcome to this overview of report pinning for Google Cloud. Report pinning allows you to maintain report settings for dimensions and measures as you move between different reports. You simply define your dimensions and measures for one report, pin them, and then the dimensions and measures will be retained as you move to another report. Report pinning is useful for users who wish to examine a specific data set across multiple types of reports, such as cost, usage, and containers. To enable report pinning, click on the pin icon, which is located just below the report name in the Dimensions and Measures section of the report. An outline will appear to let you know that pinning has been enabled. To disable pinning, click on the pin icon again. You'll know that it has been disabled when the outline disappears. Let's use this report, the Google Cloud Cost History Report, as an example. First, we'll enable pinning, and then we'll configure the dimensions and measures. I want to configure this so that it reports on daily costs for one particular owner. I'm going to choose Anton as the owner to focus on. Notice, as I select the filter for Anton, an outline appears around the filter dropdown to let me know that a filter is included in my pinned criteria. As I want to view the daily costs for Anton, I'll change the interval from monthly to daily. To see all of the criteria that is pinned, simply hover over the pin icon, and a pop-up will appear showing you everything that has been pinned in the report, which will carry over to other reports. Let's switch over to the current cost report to see how pinning works as you move between reports. As you can see in the current cost report, the filter for Anton as the owner has carried over, as has the daily interval. By hovering over the pin icon, I can confirm that both of these filters are being applied. If there is criteria visible under the pinned options, but the checkbox is not filled in, it is because the new report doesn't have the same filter options as the report in which you set the pinned criteria initially. As such, it will not be applied to that dataset as the report does not have the filter or dimension available. To clear pinning, click on the pin icon and refresh the page. The report will revert back to its default settings. And that is it for this overview of report pinning for Google Cloud. Thank you for joining us.
For more information, detailed videos, and blogs about all Aria Suite products, please visit apps-cloudmanagement.techzone.vmware.com or simply scan the QR code to learn more.